When I dance, I fade away in the glory of life. I started dancing when I met with severe anxiety 4 years back. Dancing brought me the guidance that I needed for my healing. It connects me to my soul, my higher self. My body teaches me movements that brings me the energy of love. It brings me to the present moment, in joy and love. The life force inside me ignites, and then only the dance remains. As I was going through my intense anxiety and my messed up mind, I didn't want to share it with anyone. So I was looking for solutions in books, and my inner guidance is what I was trying to look for. And dancing was completely something that pulled me out of the negativity, of the anxiety, of the stress, and I could be in energy of love and joy, which just helped me so much to manage my mind. So my mind was all like all like haywired, but just because I could create the energy of love for myself and for others, I could help myself train my mind the way I wanted to. I could condition it in the way I wanted to. And that's when I started becoming a dance movement therapist coach and also an ecstatic dance facilitator. I've been facilitating dances and giving therapy to people for their anxiety and depression. And this is one of the best things that I do in life. It's really something that gives me joy and feels like an intrinsic part of my purpose. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks so that you can get into the flow state and how to dance in a way that you can create the energy of love and joy and give away all your inhibitions. I always dance barefoot. I think because dancing barefoot helps me to connect with the environment and the energies and the planet Earth, everything so much. And just to move easily is so much more easier and comfortable when I'm not wearing shoes. So with shoes, like, my natural rhythms don't come in place. But if I'm barefoot, it's like the connection is there, my body knows how to move, it can move freely. And so I always do my ecstatic dancing barefoot only. This, it can't be done without barefoot, for me at least, because I need to feel that connection and I need to know, the energy where I am. And I think all the information that comes in with the barefoot is just helping me to flow and connect with the trees and the wind and everything that is around me, even the people. And this is something that I learned, that I can get stuck in my mind, but just by changing my hand and my body movements, I could get into a better state, get out of my mind and get in my body. And this is what I use in dance movement therapy and ecstatic dance sessions as well. So the first trick that I use for myself while I'm dancing and I want to get out of the state of inhibitions and totally get into the flow of music and dance on the music, listen to it with my full body and mind, I do it through affirmations. So I would tell myself, I'm doing great. I'm divinely protected and guided. That's how I would move out of my mind and put in some positive affirmations so that I could feel more in tune with what I'm doing. Now, along with it, there's another technique that I use while I'm dancing, and that is I visualize that there's love coming out in golden light. So I could go I'm giving out love. In my mind I'm thinking, and then I'm imagining that there is this light coming out of my hands. I'm taking it back in, so visualizing circles of light and taking it back in a circle. I think this is also something that helps me a lot to be in the present moment, to stay in the groove, and like keep going on with my dance. So these are two things that really help me, affirmations and visualization. When I teach dance movement therapy and ecstatic dancing, I also incorporate breathing exercises because I feel that you can prep yourself before the dance so that you can flow into it very easily. So mostly I do Wim Hof breathing, and along with that, once the breathing exercise is over, I move into meditation and heart opening meditation, and also a meditation to help you focus your mind so that you can use these techniques to keep your heart open while dancing, and also helps you to focus on the music because the beats is something that you have to follow. When you follow the beats, you are there, you know. Music is something that you have to keep going back to. So when you are dancing, what will happen? A lot of fears, inhibitions, all of these things will come up. And as you move your body, you can move those inhibitions out of your body with the movement and bring in and create the energy that you want to. And I think this is what is happening in dance movement therapy. When you're going into flow states, you're accepting the music, you're accepting the present, you're in the energy of love and joy, which is so natural. It comes out automatically without doing anything. And when we are dancing, what is also happening is we're creating a lot of good hormones, the happiness hormones, endorphins in our system, and then it becomes so much more easier to like flow, to manage your mind, to be in the present, to like love and be loved as well. So I think these are the major things that I use while I'm dancing. Truly, this is all what you want to know about dancing. In the end, it's all about like free movement and like allowing your body to teach you how to create those beautiful rhythms that make you feel nice. And if you don't want to use these tips, it's okay. These are just facilitators because we know how to dance. And when we dance, the whole world ignites around us and inside us as well. And that is what we're looking for. Since this is something that I'm truly very passionate about, it's something that has helped me a lot. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And maybe we could even have a session together. Yeah, and if you have reached till the end of the video, please write pink in the comments below. I would love to know. One second. If you liked my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and hit the like button. I love you. Have a wonderful day.